Good day, Lerdicians! It's English time! Are you ready? Let's go! Good day, Lerdicians! Today, we're going to talk about sentence. Compare the group of words below. Set A. Sel and Amy were. A difficult cross-stitch design. Amy's project is beautiful. It's also beautiful. The two girls. Set B. Sel and Amy were busy with their cross-stitch projects. Sel was working on a difficult cross-stitch design. Amy's project had a simple design. Your project is beautiful, Sel. Yours is also beautiful, Amy. The two girls are working on their projects. Which of the sets gives you a clearer picture of what is being discussed by the two girls? The words in set B expresses complete thoughts. They are called sentences. We use sentences to express our thoughts and ideas and to communicate to others. There are 4 things to remember about sentences. Number 1. A sentence starts with a capital letter. Number 2. Words in the sentence have spaces in between. Number 3. A sentence has a complete thought or idea. And number 4. A sentence ends with a punctuation mark such as period, exclamation mark, and question mark. Examples. Agnes writes nicely. This sentence starts with a capital letter. And what capital letter is that? Very good. The capital letter A. You can also see that the words in the sentence have spaces in between. There is a space between the word Agnes and writes. There is also a space between the words writes and nicely. Another thing is, this sentence has a complete thought or idea. You understand or picture out what the sentence is trying to say. You know that Agnes writes nicely. Another thing is that this sentence ends with a punctuation mark. And what punctuation mark is that? Very good. The sentence ends with the punctuation mark period. Another example. Did the dog bark at the strangers? This sentence starts with the capital letter D. Okay? The words in this sentence have spaces in between. This sentence has a complete thought or idea. And this sentence ends with what punctuation mark? Very good. Question mark. Sentences can also be single word. So when we say single, it means one. Look at these examples. Listen. Look. Why? Run. Help. Jump. Now, study these sentences from set B. How do they begin and end? Your project is beautiful, Sel. Yours is also beautiful, Amy. The sentences above begin with words whose first letters are capitalized. Capital letter Y, capital letter Y. Also, both sentences end with a punctuation mark. The first sentence ends with an exclamation mark, and the second one ends with a period. Remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter. Words in the sentence have spaces in between. A sentence has a complete thought or idea. A sentence ends with a punctuation mark such as period, exclamation mark, and question mark.